Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I want to talk about Deadbolt strikes, striker plate, which is this one here on the frame. So what we normally do is we come through here with a 24mm speed bore and then a 54mm hole saw through here. Once you've done this hole and this hole, you can put this tool into this section here and slide it into the door. Once it's in the door, then we get a hammer and a flat blade screwdriver, knock it this way. What that does is that gives us an impression on the door frame. So when that's actually in the door, we hit it, it gives us a mark. What I've done then is gone through with a 16mm speed bore, and I've only gone through about 1 inch. Then I've fitted my faceplate around it nice and squarely, making sure that I've got that complete circle. If these type of locks do move up and down, we don't need all of this room here. We don't need all of it. But if these door frames and this type of house does move, you want it to have a little bit of movement. They've given this shape here, so generally I just like to carve that whole shape out. I use a tool like this, and I actually have about 1 inch of depth in there. So I can pretty much go in there and just bore the whole thing out and get a nice smooth surface. These things are quite lethal, so earmuffs and a face visor is advisable. I'm just going to go through and carve it out. Hopefully you guys can see nicely and clearly. My face mask, my earmuffs. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, there you have it. It goes so fast, it's a tungsten cutter, that if you want, you could quite easily take meat off that striker plate. So that's given it a fair bit of room. I'm just going to do a little bit up. Make sure it's clearing. Because of the shape, you actually have to really work it into those corners. That's taken it off quite nicely. Now the test is to see if it's going to lock. I can see there's a little bit of smoke coming out, so I'm going to put some water on that before we leave. And there you have it. It's locking quite nicely. I'll see if there's any impressions in there. Are we touching the sides anywhere? Maybe just a little bit on that side there. So yeah, that's how we do it with the router, and definitely a lot faster. Okay, thanks for watching.